Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today we are going to analyze the S&P and the NASDAQ indices. I already did a video this Monday and I am updating you guys again this Wednesday because I think the moment is important and I just can't leave you guys without information. I am a trader, a professional trader. I use technical analysis, price action, statistics, historical data to support my thoughts and insights in the market. So I really believe you guys are going to like what I'm going to talk about in this video. So if you are new around here, I advise you to subscribe to this channel, okay? Because again, our content is pretty nice. As far as I know, the indices are doing exactly what we already thought they would do. I explained it to you guys that I had a bullish thesis. I still have a bullish thesis for this week. I did a video last Friday on Tesla and I told you guys the indices, Tesla, every single stock have literally 70% chances of going up next week. I did this video last Friday when the market was crashing, when it was such a craziness to say the word bullish. So yes, I really love our insights. We are quite antagonic. We are so authentic in our ideas, and this was just another original idea we had, and so far so good. So far it is working nicely for us. Our original ideas are usually the best, so let's analyze the charts right now. Let's see how, if you want more details about on my bullish thesis, just check my Friday's video in Tesla. Just watch it. You will understand better why I'm saying we have 70% chances of going up this week. All right, so yes, I really recommend this video. Right now, let's focus on what's happening today. The S&P, guys, first of all, this candlestick, this over here, this is not normal, okay? This is not normal at all. And this has a meaning. When we see the S&P dropping more than 4% in one single day and doing such a fantastic, amazing, almost miraculous recovery, closing in positive territory, plus 0.28% on Monday, that's not normal. That's not normal, and it means that, okay, the scenario was quite bearish. It was already quite bearish, and index dropped sharply. However, look at this reaction. Look at the size of this shadow. It is incredibly huge, and think for 1 second. This means that although the indices dropped, the S&P, the NASDAQ, they all did the exact same movement. At some point, players thought that was so insane that they could not help themselves but buy everything back again. And this is why we have this pattern over here, which is a very nice and strong bullish candlestick pattern. Call it hammer candlestick pattern. We did this hammer just above this support level. Usually hammers are bullish reversal candlestick patterns. They are not that reliable, but when we see a hammer above a meaningful support level, the odds of a reversal increases dramatically. So yes, I think the S&P is moving accordingly to the plan. It's moving accordingly to what we already expected. When we analyze the 1 hour chart, we see that it filled this gap over here, which is now an exhaustion gap. Okay, this gap over here, it was an exhaustion gap indeed. Why? Because we opened this gap and we filled it in the very same day. Yes, this was an exhaustion sign. The bears are clearly exhausted, and we had a bullish candlestick pattern in the daily chart, and right now we are triggering a bullish pivot point in the 1 hour chart. We are doing a higher high, higher low. That's a sign, that's a true sign of a reversal. Now, guys, I don't expect the S&P is going to recover like this, all right? I'm not expecting this, okay? I'm not expecting a V-shaped recovery. I think this volatility just occurred because of the catalysts we are seeing around right now with the Fed, with inflation and etc. Hardly the same catalysts are going to work as a reversal point for the S&P. So no, I do not believe we're going to see a V-shaped recovery. However, I see a recovery. Okay, if this is a dead cat bounce or not, I don't know. I do not need to know. All I need to know is that right now we are reversing. Right now the S&P is bullish. I think Monday and yesterday, well, these were incredibly opportunities to buy. I told you guys that I was bullish since the beginning, and if we analyze the S&P along with the NASDAQ is doing a positive week. Right now it is already going up 1%. Statistically speaking, when the NASDAQ drops more than 10% from its previous top, the next week it goes up on average 2%. Okay, that's what historical data reveals to us. Again, watch my Friday's video to understand a little bit better this insight. And what's curious is that even in such a stressful scenario, the NASDAQ dropped to its previous support level in the weekly chart. Right now, we are just bouncing back up. We are trying to do a piercing line candlestick pattern. So if this actually happens, great. I see the NASDAQ keeping the bullish momentum that we see in the 1 hour chart. Many tech stocks are already repeating this pattern, a bullish pivot point in the 1 hour chart. Many of them already filled their gaps, which again, it was an exhaustion gap. So yes, the NASDAQ will probably fly again from here. I am bullish on it. I don't have a crystal clear target. I mean, yes, maybe I do. I think the NASDAQ is going to fill this gap next. All right. Remember, guys, gaps work as magnets. This is how we nail it. Our target in Tesla at 1208. Do you guys remember? Are you guys already my followers? Do you guys remember this? Tesla filled this gap with astonishing precision at 1208 in the beginning of the year. So yes, I think the NASDAQ is going to fill this gap next around 14,852 points, and the NASDAQ has another gap on its own around 4651. That's our next target on the indices. I do believe these targets are gonna be filled, and if you're asking, there's still time to enter to buy the S&P or the NASDAQ. Well, I'm not a financial advisor, but I can tell you that the risk-reward ratio makes sense to me. It's still making sense to me, all right? So yes, many stocks overall speaking are supposed to go up from here. I am optimistic. I am bullish in this market. I just don't know for how long. Again, I don't need to know. All I know is that we have a bullish thesis in our hand, and I am pretty sure that at least this week we are gonna close in a positive territory. Are you still watching this video and you didn't click on the subscribe and support the like button? Man, what the hell are you doing? You liked this video, you liked this channel, so I think I deserved your subscription, my friend. I will keep you guys updated on the indices, on S&P, NASDAQ, Tesla, and other stocks eventually. All right? Thank you very much for your support, my friends. Stay safe. Farewell.